In this video, I'm going to be talking about creating articles for your affiliate website. In particular, I'm going to be talking about how long an article should be in order for it to rank well on Google. So let's get started. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. I hope you're all well. So this video is part of a playlist of 10 videos all around keyword research and the incredible Keyword Golden Ratio. I put this playlist together with my friend Doug Cunnington. Now, if you haven't watched the playlist from the very beginning, I suggest you do that right now. You'll find a link to the playlist in the description below. Start with video number 1 and everything will become a lot clearer. So in this video, I want to talk about the ideal length of an article. It's a question I get all the time when we're talking about creating content in order to get rankings on the search engine. So the way myself and Doug approach this is that we start with articles that are at least 1,000 words long. That may sound like a lot, but actually that's quite a short article in terms of the way that Google sees content. Ideally, if you can, you want your article to be 1,500, maybe 2,000 words long. But why are longer articles better for search engines? Well, it all comes down to the value that you're delivering in your content. Google wants to rank really good content that's got a lot of value, that shares a lot of useful information, and that really engages the visitors to your site. One of the ranking factors that you can have a direct effect on with the length of your articles is the time on site. Now, Google uses this metric as a way of figuring out how good your site is, and basically the longer people spend looking at a particular page or post on your site, the better that page or post is going to rank on Google. Now, of course, writing 2,000 word articles may not be practical for you. Maybe you've got very limited funds in terms of paying writers, or maybe you're writing articles yourself and you simply cannot churn out articles of that length on a regular basis. If that's the case, then one strategy I would recommend is that you create articles with the bare minimum, which is 1,000 words long. Get those articles up on your site and then closely monitor your analytics to discover which articles are the most popular. You'll then be able to identify a handful of articles which are getting some good traffic, which are getting some good engagement, and then you can then rewrite those articles or add to those articles so that they become longer and so that you can get them up to that 2,000 word sweet spot. Now, of course, the length of the article is not the only factor when it comes to getting ranked on Google. There's many other things that come into play, including the keywords that you're using, the competition, the number of links you've got coming to your site, how you've actually laid out the content. All those things are going to have an effect, but the length of your article is certainly a great place to start. And before I go, I'm going to leave you with one extra tip when it comes to creating long articles, and that is you're going to want to make sure that you structure them and lay them out really nicely. What I mean by that is that you use things like headers, so H1, H2, H3 tags. These are really easy to add with WordPress. You simply highlight the text and then select what level of heading you want. Headings are a great way of letting Google know what your article's about and the sort of keywords that it should be indexing you for. Other things you're going to want to do to make your article more readable is things like adding a nice introduction and a nice conclusion at the end of the article. You want to deliver facts using things like bullet points and tables, and you're going to want to make sure that you've got plenty of nice images which are all labeled up correctly with their alt tags and their title tags. So that brings us to the end of this video. As I mentioned, it's part of a playlist that I put together with Doug of 10 videos all around doing keyword research so that you can create some great articles on keywords that people are actually searching for on Google. I'll put the next and previous videos up on the screen now. You can click them to navigate your way through the playlist. If you're not already subscribed, then simply click on my face up there and click the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And be sure to check out Doug's channel. You can find that over there. Till next time, bye for now.